Hey there and welcome on back. As always, I'm Carl with Target's Attitude, as my professor of knives and all things sharp. Pull up a chair, grab your pens and paper, class about to begin. Today we're looking at a new one from Kizer, the Pinch. Yes, the Pinch. Not sure where they got the name. It's an interesting looking knife though. Bit on the small side maybe, but not exceedingly small. Before we get too far into the knife though, let's get the syllabus work out of the way, shall we? If you're new to the channel, welcome. Here on Fridays we do mainly knife reviews. Occasionally I'll do a review of some piece of camping or survival equipment. Flashlights, compasses, cooking gear, that sort of thing. But mainly knives. For those of you who have been with us for a while, welcome back. I'm glad you can make it. Just got one question for y'all. Have you subscribed yet? Damn, I keep getting those crickets. I gotta get the exterminator out here, I guess. I mean, come on, people. It is such an easy thing to do. And a lot of you have done it. I mean, I'm up over 870 subscribers, almost to 900. All you have to do is hit that button right down there. It says subscribe. Then you hit the bell next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up a neat new video. It's a win-win situation. You win because you don't miss any of my neat new videos. I win because, well, let's be honest. The more subscribers I have, the easier it is to get all these neat new things. It's all up to you. But I hope you can help us each other out. But on to the knife. As I say, it's a new one from Kizer. It's called the Pinch. It's a good-looking knife. I mean, red canvas micarta scales. The blade is Bohler N690 steel that's been stone washed. Very sweet. The blade is more of a classic straight blade, sort of like you'd see on an old-fashioned Sodbuster, but it's still, there's a reason why that classic blade use is still around. Looks like it's a flat grind to me. Only comes up about a third to half the distance up the blade. So you've got a good strong spine that's supporting the blade quite nicely. Fullers on each side that you can use to open the blade with. It is a old-fashioned slip joint as opposed to more fashion or more newfangled liner lock or frame lock. It's not even a lock back. But it still feels nice. The description says it has thumb studs. Nope, sorry, there are no thumb studs on this anywhere, and I'm not even sure where you'd put them without modifying that handle. But those fullers are nice enough that you can open it with one hand if you want. I would probably prefer to continue opening it two-handed, just keep my nerves steady, but you can do it. The liners are stainless, and they are not skeletonized, so it weighs a little bit more than it might have. I say it's not a huge knife. The blade is 3 inches even. Let's see here. It's 3 1/4 inches closed, so not bad at all. And with the N690 steel, I do real well on our test. Let's see how well it really does do. Let's get that standard piece of scratch paper out. And let's see here. That shreds up the paper beautifully. Cardboard. Not sure there's really enough left this cardboard to do all that great on, but we'll give it a try. And it's, well, let's see, we'll start up here and see. Okay, straight through it. Except I can't get a grip on the cardboard. Okay, if I go that way, which is a little dangerous, but it works. Yeah, if it wasn't for the fact that since COVID, my left side has been too weak to really keep a grip on things. I'm not going to get the pliers out, not for that. But it did quite nicely. Let's see here. Paracord. Let's see how it does on Paracord. Here's the length, most of which is now on the floor, which means cats will be playing with it shortly, I'm sure. It's cutting up the paracord nicely. Yeah, definitely can't complain about that. That's gorgeous. So here, hang package test. See how it works on this. Took a little bit to get the tip in, but then again on this style of blade, it's not really designed for penetration power. They sure sliced it without any hesitation. That's sweet. Let's see here. Okay, let's go for the leather next. Let's see how it does on this. Alright, just a minute. This is so annoying, but ever since COVID, one day I can grip things just fine with my left hand. Some days I can't grip worth a damn, so let's see how this works. Well, that is definitely sweet. This leather's trying to bend, but it's cutting through it beautifully. Yeah. And of course I have to use my right hand to release the pliers, but we got the test done. That's sweet. Let's see here. How about cutting straps? That went nicely. Yeah, that buckle was shot, which is why I feel comfortable cutting up the strap it was once on. Yeah, I guess I could buy a new buckle and use the strap, but no, this is a little bit more important, I think. Besides, I got plenty of straps. Zip cord. Handiest thing yet invented. And it slices through that like nobody's business. Yeah, beautiful. Let's see about chopping it. And it's chopping it up beautifully. So now that we've got a piece of wood in our hand, let's see about how it handles this. Feathering it up beautifully. See, it's not really designed for stabbing, not that style of blade, but nonetheless. Not bad. And let's see here. Get the leather glove on. See here. Yeah, I'm not feeling any giving that, so we should be okay. That's at least for one test. Let's see how it does, shall we? No, that's slip joint is allowing it to bounce back and forth. I'm going to end up hurting myself if I'm not careful, so we're not going to do that. However, let's see how it does with the Ferro Rod. Where is my Ferro Rod? It was right here. There it is. No, that's something different. Oh, come on. Where did the Ferro Rod disappear to? Excuse me for a moment. I'll be right back. Okay, found the Ferro Rod. So, let's see. Yow! Definitely not. Yeah, definitely not. Not unless I want blood all over the Ferro Rod. So, yeah. As you can see, bloodthirsty little bastard bit me. But, yeah, I'm going to have to clean this up something fast. Really don't drive blood all over the handle of my knives. So, anyway, one more test to do here. We got wiring harness. Let's see how it works on this. Well, it's certainly cut that fast. Very fast. And where the hell is that blood coming from? So, did I cut 2 fingers? Yep, I sure did. I cut 2 fingers. Okay, give me a second here to get a couple band-aids. Be right back. Okay, so, yeah, note to self, never be stupid enough to use a slip joint to try to strike on a Ferro Rod again. Very, very bad move. Let's get, fortunately being a diabetic, I've got lots of alcohol pads to use to clean up blood and the like. So, well, this one is definitely going into my personal collection. Can't sell this even as a used now. Not that now that my blood is on it. But where were we? Oh yeah, we found it sliced the wiring harness nicely. Well, it split it and allow us to strip the wire nicely. Let's see. Did a beautiful job of that, that's for sure. So, we got that nice. My wife is going to give me so much hassle about this, oh well. I'll just have to get the jeans and my shirt in the wash before she has a chance to see them. Shh, don't tell her. Let's get that piece of paper back out here. And let's see if it took any damage from any of that. Most definitely not. So there you have it. The new pinch from Kizer. Bloodthirsty little bastard, but it will go through almost all of our tests without pause. Cleans up nice even after it's slaked its thirst for blood. So, oh no, very sweet knife. But I hope you learned something, even if it was not to be stupid like me. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you back next week. In the meantime, I'll post a couple videos over here I think you'll enjoy. And as always, you can hit that little target floating right there to subscribe. I hope you do. And remember, maybe ability decides what you can do. It may be motivation that decides what you will do. But it's attitude that describes how well you do it. So if you're going to do something, do it with attitude. See ya.